Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Camry key fob. First, gather all your existing key fobs and the new one you wish to program. Sit in the driver's seat, ensuring all doors are closed and unlocked. Next, insert your master key into the ignition and quickly remove it. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the programming sequence. Make sure you perform these actions smoothly to avoid errors. Now, to enter programming mode, cycle your ignition from the on to OFF position 5 times within 15 seconds. Immediately after, close and open the driver's door 6 times. You'll know you've successfully entered programming mode when your power door locks automatically cycle. This confirms the vehicle is ready to accept new key fob information. Pay close attention to the door lock response. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the vehicle in programming mode, take your new key fob and press any button on it within 30 seconds. The door locks will cycle once more, indicating that the key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs to program, repeat this exact step for each one. Once all fobs are programmed, open the driver's door to exit programming mode.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.